Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, we are in San Nicola Arcella today, and I couldn't wait to come out and see this apartment because I put it on the channel a while ago with just, snipped it and still pictures, but I said, oh, I want to see the inside and I want to see where it is. As you can see, there is the Dino Island in Praia Mare, and I'm on the balcony here. There's workers working, and the little onion truck or whatever truck is going by announcing their wares, so there's a lot of activity here. We are not in the Centro Storico. You can see somebody has solar panels, so that might be a possibility too. But we are just outside of the Centro Storico in San Nicola Arcella, and this beautiful property has been renovated with, as you can see, spectacular views. Let's take a look. Okay, we're coming into the unit here. The onion truck is very, very insistent on you buying his onions, but look at this, you guys. And you can't see it right now, but I will head over to the view. Actually, I'm going to head over right now. This has all been renovated. This is a cute, cute little kitchen. I love the way they used the space here because this is kind of a smallish little angle here, and you could put a chair in there or something, but it's kind of off on its own, so it made total sense to put the kitchen here. And it's really functional because look at all the counter space you have. Great use of cabinets and whatnot. Your fridge is behind here. And you've got everything you need. You've got a 5-burner stove. You've got a nice new oven. Beautiful stove hood. The kitchen looks to be brand new, very good shape. I really like this kitchen, guys. Look at how much counter space you have. It's fantastic. You know what I like best? This. This is what I like best. So this balcony goes straight across. And it opens up to the living room area on this side here. So your living room, if you're sitting in there, you have a view of Praia Mare. Over there is Dino Island. Beyond that is Maratea and Cedri. So you can see way far into the Cedri coast that we call the Amalfi Coast of the South, because the views are very, very similar to the views in Amalfi. Anyway, up there is Villaggio del Bridge, you can see up on the hills. And you are so close to the Centro Storico here. Really, really beautiful space. Now, here's your living room, dining room area. This place is really, really big. Nice grayish neutral tiles. Plenty of space in here. I can't get over how big it is. What a beautiful space. Okay, let's go see the bedroom area. Do you see what I see? Central heating. You've got a big laundry room in here with shelving and everything else. Oh, and the shelving goes all the way around. This is a big, big space for a laundry room and tons of storage. Now in here, you've got a really pretty bathroom that's all 100% renovated. Hello, guys. Big shower, very nicely done. And look at here, another pretty bathroom. Oh, nice storage down. They really kept storage in mind when they made these places. Oh, and this is an even bigger shower. Look at that. That's the way I like the showers, where you have the glass and then it's open, so you don't have doors to clean around. It's so easy to clean. Really nice big shower head. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, here's the second bedroom here. Very nice. Ooh, ooh. Okay, I get too excited. Ooh, ooh. Okay, so this is tons of room. There's 2 single beds in here. You could easily put a matrimoniale in here and still have room for a chair and whatnot. Out here, okay, out here you can see there's the Centro Storico, like all through here, okay? The main church is up there. The street that goes down into the Centro Storico is right there, and that's where you find all the pizzerias, all the wine bars, all the shops, everything. It's such a beautiful Centro Storico, and if I get a chance, I'll go do a special video just on that Centro Storico, but you can see from here, it is quite stunning. Now look at this. You are right above the Cold Passion Gelateria Cafeteria, so you go down for your coffee in the morning, and I'm telling you, the ice cream at Cold Passion, I don't know what they do to it. I think they inject it with something illegal because it's so good. Oh, and look at that, Serbatoio d'Acqua. When you see that, you know that the owners have set everything up for comfort. Because in summer, when everybody arrives in August, sometimes the water pressure goes down a little bit. And when it goes down, you have your Serbatoio d'Acqua, you flip a switch, that little pump happens, and you get all the water you need. So that's already taken care of for you. I have put them in the past. Generally, they cost about 1,800 euros, so you're going to not have to spend that. Now, let's go see the master bedroom, which I'm saving for last because it's so exciting. Look at this, you guys. Oh, big, comfortable, big armadio in here, which is very nice. Lots of room for another dresser. It's very spacious. And the airflow coming in is just gorgeous, coming in off the sea. Now, I can't wait to show you this. Just wait. Okay, and once again, we're on the same balcony with the same view. Oh my gosh, let me tell you about one of my favorite restaurants. Il Forano is right down on that beach down there. Very easy to get to. You could actually take an e-bike there super simply. Oh, and over there is the little lookout that I'm hoping to get the guys to take me down there to see so I can film it for you. The views from up here are spectacular, guys. You really want to come take a look at this property. I think being in San Nicola, which is one of the more desirable areas, having the views that it has, being so centrally located, this property could be a boon. And I'm telling you, it'll be a piece of cake to rent out in July and August. There you go, guys. Hurry over and take a look at this before it sells out. We'll be waiting for you.